Yeah, what we have learned so far is about the report registration, right? Today we will be learning how to register Plsql program. Okay, so it will be having the same concept. So what I will do is I will create one package. And then that package I will create one procedure. Okay, simple procedure, and then this procedure I will register into the Oracle application. So most of the time we want to run the PLSQL package from the concurrent program, and so any DML statements will be there in that procedure will be get executed from the application itself. Okay, so how do we do that? It is the same thing. Let me take any program. If I would be having, let me check if I'll have any programs so that I can help you with that. Suppose I'm taking this, okay, just for our understanding how the PLSQL basically works. Simple program I will just write, okay. So what is this program? This program is basically help us to understand the, if I'll provide the employee number, then it will give me the details of that employee. If you give the employee number, then it will give you the details of the employee. So here there is something called as an API. What is this API? It's called as application programming interface. Okay. So API is called as a application programming interface. So in SQL PLSQL we are using this seeded package, right? DBMS output. So but through the API in Oracle application, what we are using is called as a FND file dot put underscore line. Okay. So FND file dot put underscore line we are using instead of the DBMS output. Okay. Now let me show you this example. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll create a package, or you can create a procedure also. Procedure please procedure. I'll say find employee. Okay, this is my procedure name. As so there, the way we have in the report, we have some mandatory parameter, right? Like pconc request ID and that user exists. Hope you remember. Similarly, if you are registering any procedure into the application or package dot procedure into the application, we have to give the few mandatory parameter. What are that mandatory parameters? I'll write over here, like error buff, and red code. So we will be having the error buff and red code. Okay, error buff. This will be a out parameter. Okay, varchar 2, and then we will be having a red code. red code. I'll tell you what is this error bug and red code. Varchar 2. Okay, so error bug basically writes the any error in the program which appears in the program, that this error bug parameter will be responsible for that, and red code will be what is the status of the content program that it returns. Okay, so these two are a mandatory parameter. And what is the next parameter we are passing here? We are passing as an employee number, right? So we'll write like this: e underscore emp employee number, right? So there are three parameters. So these two are the mandatory parameters, and this is a third parameter, as will pass p employee number here. Okay, just have a look, and then we are passing all these stuffs, and then we are passing this. And, okay, so that's fine. Rest will be taken care, and only in place of dbms we need to write this out. Okay, there are a few more changes we have to do here. What things we have to do here? We have to write fnd file dot output. Okay, comma. So this will go into the out parameter. Okay, okay. And the same thing, if you wanted to or also I'll write one thing. If you wanted to write anything in the log files, then you say log the program starts here, something like that. The program starts at this date. Okay, just have a look. And the program ends here. Okay, and the program ends at system. Okay, this is what we have written. Let's execute this procedures, and we'll register the same in the content program and see how it will work. Okay, I hope we don't need the as, no? What is the problem? Okay, in number, right? These are as anything you can pass. Find employee. Yeah, see, this is with one error. What is the wrong number or type of argument called put underscore line? Oh, 1 second, we'll see in another tab. Okay, I think I have written wrong place. Success with compilation error. What is that compilation error? How do we know what is the compilation error? Select start from all error where name, like what is my object name? And employee, right? There are multiple way we can check. This is one of the way. Okay. Counter end of the file at line 22. 22. What is the problem? Okay, we have to give the employee. Okay. Yeah, we have to write no like where is the issue. So we have to write like fnd underscore file dot log. Okay, set comma. Yes, this was the mistake. Now you see this employee compiled with 0 errors and 0 warning. Okay, so now let's register it in Oracle application. So we'll go to the application developer. The same thing is also mentioned in the notes which I have given to you. Okay, I'll just open anything. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so hope like you were disconnected, it seems.
No.
Okay. So like I'll just tell you, like we have executed this program. Okay, this procedure we have created, compiled successfully in the database. Now I'm registering this into the application. Okay. So we'll go to the we'll go to the concurrent. We'll go to the first. We'll create the executable, right? So I'll go here. So I'll create the. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll make the change in the procedure name. I'll make as a XX. Okay. Okay, here let me execute it one more time. Okay, done. So this is my program name. So what I'll do is I'll create the same executable. Okay. So what is the application? I'll check as a purchasing, but in the real time it will be a custom application. Okay. And what it should be? The execution method should be a Plsql store procedure, right? Here I am writing the procedure name. If you have a package, you have to write a package dot procedure name. Okay. So this is my procedure name. I'm saving. Done. Okay. Now I'll go back. I'll create the concurrent program. So I'll say exec find employee details. Okay. Detail program. Okay. This is my content program. I'll keep the same sort name. Applications would be purchasing, and this would be what we have created. Store procedure. I'll keep as a text. The parameter will come. In the parameter, we had a how many parameter? We have a 3 parameters, right? Error buff, red code, and EEPMPNO. So these two are a mandatory and must be the first two parameters. So we'll take this because this is the only one. So we'll paste here. Okay. And see, you can check here that the token is disabled. So this token will be only enabled for the report registration. Okay. For the Plsql, it will be disabled. So we always have to pass the parameters sequentially as per the procedures parameter. If you make a mistake, it will give a error. So here I'll write enter employee number. Okay. Now, what is the value set? Hope you remember we have created a value set. Do we have created any value set? None value set we have created, no? XX and Z. Let's see, is there or not? Yeah, we have created none sort of a value sets like character or dependent, independent. We'll take this, okay? I'll save it, okay? Done. Now, next thing is this program. Okay, I will make it as XX and ZM. Okay, find employee details. Okay. Now, this program we have to attach to the request group, right? So where I can find the request group in system administrator, we'll go to the request group, security, responsibility, request. Do you remember what was the request group name? XX and ZM something we have created, no? This was our one, right? So here we will attach our content program. What is the content program name? XXNZM find employee details program. Right. So I'll save it. Now, once we have saved into the request group, we'll go to the we'll change the responsibility. Which responsibility? This was our responsibility, custom responsibility. Now we'll go here to the view. We'll go to request, submit new request, single request. Okay, what is this? XXNZM find employee, right? See, you can see here. Enter the employee number. Let's see what is the employee number we have. First, we'll check the employee number. Select style from EMP. So I'll take this employee number as a 7369. Okay, 7369. So will let me submit this one. No. Fine. So hope you are understanding, right? Let's see now what is the output. We'll see this output here. So the detail of the employee is this is Smith. The salary is 8,000. His job is clerk. Now, so this is one sort of a report, right? Now we'll go back. Now we'll go to the log and see. We have written into log also, na? Sorry, okay. You can see here. say we have written like this. Now the program starts at this, and then we have given this, and then we have given the program ends at this. So whatever we have written into the log, let's say I'll make a small change now in this program. Okay, what I'll do is after the log, I'll say here I'll add the employee details program. Okay, in the log I'm writing. Okay, and I will compile. And also what I'll do is I will insert one record, and I will insert one. I'll update this statement. Okay, with all this information. So what I'll do is I'll go here. So the same thing will get updated from the back end. Okay, so here I'll say update emp set job. I'll just pass for the time being job equal to admin. Okay, comma sal equal to 5,500. Okay, and dptno equal to I'll say 30. We are there, right, Nizam? No. Okay. So where what is that employee number, right? empno equal to I'll say p employee number. Let's see how good this program is, like for understanding purpose. I'll say p. Okay, p employee number, and then we'll say commit. Okay, now we have updated. Let's see, we will update this guy. What is that? We'll pass this employee details, Raju. Okay, so we'll get only these two information. Maybe we'll get after the update we'll get, or we'll do one thing. We'll do the update before only, and so that we can get all the details. Okay, whatever we have passed, I'll do the update here. Okay, and then we'll do the selection. Okay, so that we'll get all the informations. Okay, got it my point, right? Now let's go back here, recompile this procedure. Done. Now let's see, but what is that number for this guy? 100, right? So submit new request. You can see here there is something called as a copy here. So what is the benefit of this copy is, so this copy will always if you say, it will use the last program, whatever the last program you have run, that it will copy with the parameter. But I wanted to change the parameter, so I will delete. I'll say 100. Okay, now okay, another request. No. Find it to refresh the data is completed. Let's see, go to the output. See, the employee is 100, his salary is 500, his job is admin. So first it has updated. Then let's go back to the log files. See, in log files we have written like this, right? This program starts at this. There's the employee details program, and this, say, it's giving all the details. Okay. Now let's go back to the table and see whether the table is really updated or not. It has updated. That is the reason it has given me the details. Okay. I'll say where A and B and no equal to 100. Right. Let's see. Okay. This is what we have updated in the concrete program, right? When we ran this concrete program, what it does, it has first updated and then it has printed the details. Any confusion so far, Nisham?
No,
Hello.
no.
Looks good to you?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
But these procedures packages you need to explain me at Plsql class. Unless I
If I
can.
have any package, then I have to first create the package. Then you might have one question, no? Like if I have a three procedure in one package, then how we can register, right?
No, I cannot see this one until unless I can understand. So it has packages, procedures. I don't know basically.
Correct, correct. So if you have if there is a package, then package dot procedure will be the name in the execution method. Execution file name would be the package dot procedure.
Mm,
Okay.
okay.
Or you wanted to see? Let's see. When this program only will do it. Okay. How we can do? We'll create one package when then the procedure. Uh, so, but we have to create package spec and package body both. So this procedure is the standalone procedure. Can you try creating one package and procedure? Can you execute the same thing here from your end and tell me tomorrow as a practice?
Mm,
Why can't you try from your end this the same thing with package and the procedure?
mm,
A simple one, no?
yeah.
You just try once and definitely you will able to do because the procedure is there. You just need to create the package specification and the package body. In the package body you give the same procedure. That's it. And when you are registering, you register with the package dot procedure name. Okay. Or if you
Mm,
can't able to do it, I will show you tomorrow then.
mm,
Okay.
yeah.
Or let me show you one more thing. So it's just we have still almost 20 minutes. So let me try the same thing if you are finding it a little difficult there. Okay, this is the one. So I'll create one package. Okay, create or replace. Okay, I'll have in the document also. No, we have one document create or replace with another example. I could able to show you the package. Execs find employee pkg. Okay, as I'll say this one. So this is a procedure, okay? And so this is what a package this. This should be the specification, and then we should have the body, right? Create or replace package body this as procedure. Say we have to write procedure here. Procedure. So so the same procedure we have to take it from here. Okay, from here to here. Right now, and we have to end the package, right? That's it. So we have created the package, we have created the package body. Let's see, let's execute this first. Here, see, a package specification got created successfully. Now we have to create the package body, right? So, seems there is some error. Okay, let's see what is that. Replace package, and the package body this. You give end or you give the end name, both are same only, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we'll see. Same program, I'm making it as a package body. What is the problem with one error? Okay, so it's compiled successfully. See, this compiled with 0 error, 0. So there is some problem in the compilation error. Package created, but body is some issue. Okay, let's see what is the issue in the body. How do we go? We'll see. So there are other ways. We can go here. We can go F4, and here there is something called as a errors. So see, is declared. What is error? No, what is the error? Flow is declared in a. Let's see. Well, I'm not getting the full. So what I'll do is I'll try this one. So declaring a package specification must be defined the package body. There is a name difference. Okay, that is why this error is coming. Okay, what is the difference? Come here. So this is the access find employee, and here access find employee. Correct only, no? Access find employee only. Okay, we have to pass the parameter, no? Then and only it will work out, right? So this procedure we have to pass. That is why it is not taking. Okay, now it is fine. So now I'll just say F5. See, package created, package body created, both created. So now we'll go back. I'll register as a different program. Okay, I'll register as a different program. So I'll go to application developer. I'll create the content program executable. Just try to understand. I'll take this. Sort name also I'll take this as a application. I'll take as a purchasing. Okay, and this would be a stored procedure, and this would be a this pkg dot. What is the name of the procedure? This is the name of the procedure, right? Dot this. That's it. Save. Now go to the content program. Create XX and ZM. What is that? Find employee package program. Okay, something like that, so that you can identify package program. Sort name will be the same. I'll say as a exe. Okay, a sort name. And the application should be a purchasing, and the executable should be a this one, right? I'll go to the parameter. So we have only one parameter, right? Hope you remember. What is that? P underscore emp no. I'll make it as a mandatory this time. Okay, value set is a xx and zm. Or if you can create any table value set, it will be available for employee number. Okay, I'll say and employee number. Okay, like this I'll say. See, I made it as a required. So this is my content program name. So I have to attach this to. I have to attach this to developer, system administrator, request group. We have to attach. So this is the request group directly. XX and ZM underscore RG, something like that. We have a yes. XX and ZM find. Let's see this is the package program, so we'll go for package program. Okay, and save it. Okay, done. Then we'll go for the responsibility. This one will run this program. We'll go to the view, we'll go to the request, we'll submit a new program, single request, XX and ZM. So the package program I'll go for. Now see, this is a different program, right? And we'll take one program details. I'll go for 7499. Okay, 7499. Submit. No. Fine. 7499. Let's take the output. See, is Alan 5000. His job is admin. No. This is the wrong one. No, 5500. Alan admin. No, he's a salesman. How come it is giving the wrong data? Let's see. 1 second. We have
Update the update
written
statement.
update statement, right? Did you got it?
Yeah, yeah.
We have given update statement. So it is updating with that. It's wrong. See, not salesman. If I'll say now executed, it has updated with admin 5500. It's wrong. So that is coming from there. Okay. Hope you understood the program now.
Mm.
So this is way basically we can develop any PLSQL program, and we can register into a concurrent program, and we can run it from the application. So any user can able to run it from the application. So you try once, and tomorrow we'll start the interface with SQL start loader, SQL loader.
Okay.
But before that, you just try this, okay?
Mm.
So anywhere I can able to help you now in this program. Hope this program is clear. This method is clear.
Okay.